What if healing was never meant to be rushed? What if the reason you feel tired isn't because you're doing it wrong, but because you're trying to heal on a timeline that was never yours? This message won't push you forward, but it might finally let you breathe. You don't have to heal all at once. You don't have to be over it by now. You don't have to bounce back. You don't have to prove that you're okay. If you've been quietly wondering why healing feels slower than you expected, if you've been comparing your progress to others, if you've been asking yourself, what's wrong with me? This video is for you. Dream Life Diaries exists because too many women have learned how to survive pain, but not how to process it. We've learned how to stay functional, how to keep going, how to carry grief quietly, but not how to rest without guilt, not how to slow down without fear, not how to heal without pressure. This is a quiet space for women rebuilding their lives, gently, honestly, and at their own pace. Healing is not a straight line. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel hopeful, and then, without warning, you feel tired again. That doesn't mean you're failing. It doesn't mean you're regressing. It means healing is layered. You don't heal everything at once. You heal what you're ready to hold today. Tomorrow, you may be ready for something different. Time passing is not the same as healing happening. Healing happens when you finally feel safe enough to let something surface. When you rush healing, you skip listening. You override your body. You silence your emotions. You try to think your way out of something that must be felt. Many women aren't healed. They're just distracted, busy, capable, high functioning, but still carrying unprocessed weight beneath the surface. Healing begins when you stop asking, why am I not better yet? And start asking, what is my body asking of me right now? Slow healing looks like choosing rest without explaining yourself, saying no without guilt, feeling something fully instead of fixing it quickly. It looks quiet from the outside, but inside, something important is rearranging. You are not falling apart. You are integrating. Healing doesn't require perfection. It requires presence. If you feel behind, it's often because you're comparing your inner healing to someone else's visible progress. But the work you're doing cannot be rushed, measured, or displayed. You are rebuilding from the inside. And the work you do here changes everything that comes after. Nothing meaningful is lost by healing slowly, but much is lost when healing is ignored. You don't have to heal all at once. You only have to stay present with what today is asking of you. Some days that looks like strength. Some days it looks like rest. Some days it looks like tears. All of it counts. All of it is healing. If this message met you where you are, you belong here. Subscribe to Dream Life Diaries for calm, honest encouragement for women navigating burnout, healing, and becoming. Share this video with someone who feels pressured to heal faster than their heart is ready for. And if it feels safe, leave a comment below. Not to explain, just to be seen. You don't have to heal all at once. You only have to stay long enough to let healing happen. Your pace is not a problem. Your softness is not weakness. This is how gentle rebuilding begins. Not with pressure, not with rushing, not with having everything figured out. It begins when you stop abandoning yourself just to keep up with the world. It begins when you choose presence over performance, softness over force, and patience over panic. Remember this: the gentle rebuilding begins quietly, honestly, one breath at a time.